Yo quiero Taco Bell.
Dad, you're putting me out. We're not even Mexicans. We're Americans for crying out loud. Besides, what are you waking me up for anyways?
Bucku, I really hate to say this, but you're going to Texas.
Wait. What?
8:01 p.m.
Alright, Clyde. Just like we've been rehearsed. We're gonna go ahead and capture Pac-Bird and then turn him into a fried chicken.
I guess you said it, boss.
Alright, let's go ahead and get him. I'm gonna make him to a fried chicken tonight. Pac-Man?
What's up, you guys?
Hey, long time no see, Pac-Man. So, wait, what happened to Pucku?
Listen, you two, if you're gonna tell me where my Pac-Bird is, well, guess what? You were never gonna find him. He's just gonna move away for a while or so. Wait, what? What the hell?
Hey, what's up, bros?
Blinky, does your teammate Inky always act like this?
No, it gets worse. It's a long story.
Yeah, just don't tell us why.
Alright, you free spooks better shut up for once. And, Pinky, how did you get into my... You won't forget it. Okay, look, listen, you four spooks. Pac-Bird is moving away to Texas for one weekend, and he's trying to get away from you guys. And yeah, he's gone. So you're never gonna find him.
But where is he now?
Well, Gazuta, my old friend, he's on his way to Texas right now. He's probably watching the roads and highways and all. Well, something more like that.
Okay, now that you said it, can we just get on with our regular chase?
Fine. I guess we can.
Baba Booey.
Wait, Murder? Is this already Texas?